Finish baseboards with care to make the whole room read as intentional and professional. Start by inspecting every joint and end for gaps and tightness, then run a bead of paintable caulk along seams where molding meets wall or other trim. Use a caulking gun and smooth the bead with a wet finger or a dedicated caulk tool within 30 minutes to avoid skinning. Fill each nail or screw hole with a high-quality painter's wood filler or spackling. Apply a little more than needed, let it dry fully, then sand flush with fine grit sandpaper using light, even strokes across the profile so you do not change the molding shape. Always wipe the baseboards with a slightly damp lint-free cloth after sanding to remove dust before priming or painting because paint adhesion suffers on dusty surfaces. When painting, apply thin, even coats with a high-angled sash brush for control along the wall edge and a small foam roller for flat faces to avoid brush marks. Allow proper dry time between coats per paint manufacturer's instructions, and sand very lightly between coats if you notice grain or raised fibers. Pay attention to inside corners and coping joints. Cut back any excess caulk or filler and touch with a small round brush to feather paint in tight areas without overloading the surface. Finally, protect finished floors and vacuum the workspace, removing any stray drops or scuffs so the installation reads as a finished, cohesive job. 3 common mistakes are overfilling and heavy sanding that rounds profile detail, missed dust removal before painting that causes finish defects, and using the wrong caulk or applying it unevenly, which leaves gaps or messy seams. Avoid overfilling by applying filler sparingly and building thin layers if needed, then sand very lightly with a block to preserve edges. Prevent dust problems by wiping with a damp microfiber cloth and allowing complete surface drying before priming or painting. Choose a paintable acrylic latex caulk for most interior trim, cut the tip to a small opening for control, and tool the bead promptly to create a neat seam. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we and other members talk through real finishing challenges and share contractor recommendations. We help contractors find projects and grow their local presence while giving homeowners practical peer advice and examples to judge workmanship.